Trina here, and today I'm going to show you how to simplify rational expressions. Let's look at this example right over here. We have 4x squared minus 81 divided by 6x plus 27. The first thing that we always want to do when we simplify rational expressions is to factor it. Let's see what we can do here. Let's look at the top first. We can see that we have 4x squared minus 81. We have 4, which is a perfect square, x squared, which is a perfect square, and then also 81, which is a perfect square. And they are separated by a negative sign. This means that we have a difference of square. Please refer to my difference of square video if you want more in depth on how to factor that. But since we have identified that this is a difference of square, we can factor this as 2x plus 9 multiplied by 2x minus 9. Because the square root of 81 is 9, and then the square root of 4x squared is 2x. So we have successfully factored the numerator. What about the denominator? We have 6x plus 27. We can see that 3 is a factor for both of these equations. That means that we can factor out a 3. Let's see what we get if we do that. If we factor out a 3, we are left with 2x plus 9. Now we can see that we have one term on the bottom, 2x plus 9, which is the same as a term on the top. Therefore, in order to simplify this rational expression, we can simply just divide out this term from the top and from the bottom. Therefore, we are left with 2x minus 9 divided by 3. And we can rewrite this as 1 over 3 times 2x minus 9. If we want, we can also take it a step further and distribute that 3. So we can write it as 2x over 3 minus 9 over 3. And 9 is divisible by 3, so we are left with 2x over 3 minus 3. And there you have it. Wasn't that easy? We took this seemingly complicated looking rational function that we started with. We then factored both the numerator and the denominator, and we looked for common terms. We were able to cancel out 2x plus 9 because it existed on the top and on the bottom. From there, we simplified our expression, and our final result was 2x over 3 minus 3. If you like this video, please subscribe for more and drop any comments if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you next time.